So put your best face on, everybody. Literally tastes like crunch berries. It's bomb.com and it's quick. Here we go. It like does that. I'm obsessed with these Starbucks cups. It literally tastes like crunch berries. It is so good. Hola familia. Busy mommy here, and guess what? It's 2021! Okay, sorry, that was loud. I apologize. It is 2021. 2021. 2021. Here we go. And if I was on TikTok, it'd go, here we go. All right, so here is 2021. And as I've mentioned in the video previous, and if you didn't see that video, feel free to watch it. It was my launch to 2021 and my new 90-day plan. I had a 90-day plan last year. It went through March, and guess what happened in March? Y'all know. Let's not relive it. Let's not live in the past. Let's focus on the future. So here is what I decided to do this year in a little synopsis recap, whatever you may say. I am going to do a different type of lifestyle change. Not a diet, not any of that. I am kind of done feeling bad for myself or apologizing to myself or for myself or making myself feel bad at all this year. I'm done. I'm gonna love myself. And in order for me to love myself, I need to fuel myself in the way that I wanna fuel myself. One of the ways that I love to fuel myself is this drink. This literally tastes like crunch berries. If any of my coworkers see this, can you comment below at how much you love this smoothie? Because I know you love it, because you guys always would ask me to make it at work. It is literally the best smoothie ever. I'm gonna give you a little bit of the like nutrients behind it. So essentially it's 313 calories. I sub this for lunch because it's bomb.com and it's quick. 313 calories, 31 grams of protein, mainly because I add protein powder to it. For net carbs, you're sitting at 19 grams of net carbs. So it is high. It is not a keto drink solely because it has a whole cup of strawberries and half a cup of blueberries. Here's the thing. If blueberries and strawberries are the thing to keep me down, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna continue to eat those things. I'm gonna try to stick around 80 to 90 net carbs in a day, just to keep me in mild ketosis along with my calorie deficit. And that's what I'm gonna continue to do. But I wanna tell you guys, this recipe is not essentially keto, but it is very good. And honestly, if you're getting your carbs from fruits, I think that's okay. So 17 of the 19 net carbs in this are from the berries. So we're fine. Now, moving on, you can obviously sub. If you wanna do less berries, it'll be less carbs and you can drink it. So it's whatever you want. You enjoy it, you make it your way, but honestly, it tastes like crunch berries. It is bomb.com and I love it. It also has 7 grams of fiber, which is amazing. So, I know, I talk a lot, I'm sorry. Let's get going. Let's make this drink. Here we go. Here we go. So it's gonna start off with 1 cup of vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Use whatever flavor. Have you seen this hack where people pour it this way? We're gonna test it right now. It doesn't splash. What? Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more almond milk just to see how it glugs. Okay, let's try it this way. I'm genuinely shocked by that one, sorry. Okay, well, this one has 1.5 cups of almond milk, but it can be whatever you want. 1 cup of almond milk, all right. Then 1 cup, so usually I do 1 scoop or half a scoop. This one has 1 full scoop of protein powder. This is just an IsoPure, no flavor. I usually use a vanilla because vanilla protein powder is bomb. And I'll link it below. I buy it from Amazon, so I can link mine below that I use, and it makes it taste so good. Literally, I think I got everybody hooked. I'm supposed to do half a cup of blueberries, not 1 cup. These are actually blueberries that we froze from the farmer's market. Don't mind me, just picking up all the blueberries I spilled everywhere. Don't worry, I cleaned my counter before I used it. All right, 1 cup of frozen strawberries. The cool thing about this recipe is you can actually put this all in a little Ziploc baggie, ready to go, and just literally put it in your drink. 1 cup of those, and then I need a spoon to get the peanut butter. So here's why I use a spoon of peanut butter in it. The reason why is because honestly, a lot of times protein powder can taste chalky, not good. And this has actually helped to make it where you can't taste the protein powder. Now, again, if you want to do this differently and you want to go ahead and throw like the PB2 or whatever powder in here, you can. But I like my spoonful of peanut butter. I'm gonna wash my hands because last time I licked my finger, people got really mad at me. So now we'll put it together. Now, because I don't have my vanilla protein powder, which I'm really sad because I don't know where it is, but I just ordered another thing of it. I might add some honey, which would up the sugar intake a little bit, but it totally depends on the sweetness of the berries. Sometimes the berries are not as sweet, and so you can add a little bit of honey. There's some natural honey is really good. All right, ready? We're gonna blend smoothie. It like does that. So I love this blender because it has a smoothie setting, and as you saw, it like pauses and stops and then goes again because the fruit gets stuck sometimes. But anyway, it is an amazing shake. I love it. But before we try it, what am I gonna ask you? Please like, subscribe, and comment below what your favorite thing has been to eat when you're trying to eat better or drink, or your favorite protein shake recipe. If you have a really good one, let me know because I'm down. But this is delicious. It tastes amazing. Again, if you want to follow the journey, make sure you subscribe, put the little bell. Why does everybody say smash that like button? Is it like a thing for YouTube where it's like, smash that like button? I don't really like it. Why would I smash it? It's my precious iPhone or tablet, right? Okay, anyway, look at this smoothie. Ready? Obviously, I have it in my amazing glitter cup. I'm obsessed with these Starbucks cups. All right, so like I said, this is 300 calories. For lunch, it fills me up. It's amazing. It literally tastes like crunch berries. It is so good. So much protein, so much energy that it gives you, and it tastes so good. And it honestly curbs your sweet like cravings. If you want something sweet, make this and split it into 4s and just have like a shot of it as a dessert. Honestly, it'd probably make really good popsicles, but it's really good. So it's only fitting that my first recipe of the year be a drink as we cheers each other into a new year, into 2021. Let's make this one a good one. And I hope to share this journey with you guys. So let's go. Bye. Love y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow everywhere. All right. Bye. Literally tastes like crunch berries. Like Captain Crunch, just the berries. Go make it. You probably have these ingredients. I'm just saying. Bye.